It's incredibly easy and delicious for lunch or dinner. The whole family will love it. Let's start our recipe by cutting up 750 grams of potatoes. Let me know which recipe for lunch or dinner you like to make the most. I'd love to hear. In a pot of water, add a pinch of salt, the potatoes, and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. In a bowl, add 450 grams of beef mince. Now chop 1 onion. Then add it to the bowl along with the meat. Grate 1 garlic clove. We're also going to grate 200 grams of cabbage and add it to the other ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, and mix with your hands. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Easter Sonia Akini from Uganda. I'm happy to hear that you're loving our recipes. In a baking pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, roll the meat this way, and add it inside the baking pan, one by one. Shape it into this shape shell. The potatoes are already boiled. Now drain all the water and mash them. Season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, half teaspoon of dried parsley, grate 150 grams of mozzarella cheese, add half of it to our mashed potato, add 30 milliliters of milk, and start mixing everything together. Take our puree with my hands and shape it into that shape, as well as add it into the hole that we made in the meatballs. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 250 milliliters of water, and stir it together. Transfer the sauce to the baking pan. Add the rest of the cheese. And bake it in the oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Just add some parsley on top. It's optional. And enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.